Okay, this is just a quick demonstration of using the Junosphere environment and at the university. To use this, fire up Internet Explorer and either type the URL in directly, no one remembers, or go to Google and type in Junosphere into the search engine. During the boot camp that we've got coming up on March 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, we'll be using Junosphere for the practical work. For those people who are in the university, very similar to the net lab environment that the university's got operational. So if we click on Junosphere Login, when you first log in there will be a couple of prompts because some software needs to be installed. That's what we want to show you, and then you can see how it's actually operational. You'll enter your username which you'll be provided with on the day. We've got one just to demonstrate a test here. Just enter those details. And then log into the environment. I said the first time you do this it might be a lot slower. Okay, so this is the Junosphere environment. If you go across to Access Active Topologies and click on Join, and yes, we want to join this, the first time we'll get a prompt to say that it's not allowing pop-ups. So if we just click down the bottom here and always allow pop-ups, the environment will refresh again, and then we just rejoin. So again, go to Access Active Topology and click on Join. Just to join this topology, yes. Okay, and it's going to ask me for my credentials again, which I've previously just copied and pasted. It saves some time. So enter the same credentials you entered to get into Junosphere originally. Okay, we're now getting some prompt messages. For the first one, click Allow. We've installed all the software onto the computers already, but you will still get the prompts for it. So now what we're trying to do is fire up a VPN access which will give us remote access back to the Junosphere environment. It brings a screen up, just click on Start. And as it says across the top, wait. It sometimes does take a bit longer, sometimes it's quite quick. Yep, so continue, we want to accept this. So we should get some more prompts. That we're happy to run Juniper Setup Applet and allow the next one. You can see the machine's working away. Okay, on this, the software's already been installed, so we don't need to reinstall it again. So if you just click on No, and it'll be the same the next time it comes up again. No. Do you want to install the software? Click Always, that we do want to do it, or Yes. The difference, and it'll install the software. Now it's just completing the installation. Okay, there we go, it's now operational. What we do is now, if we click down the bottom right hand corner here, put our mouse button over this, and we can see the Junos VPN connection is now operational, and as you can see the small prompt above it, it is now connected. So if we go back to the first tab, which is our Junosphere environment, instead of firing up the VPN now, if we click on this one which says virtual machines, we will then see we've got here for us 4 virtual machines. Now on all of our computers we've got PuTTY installed, so if we now just quickly search for PuTTY and fire that up, I want to now open a telnet connection to, in our particular case, SRX1, which is here, telnet 10.233.255.254 using port 1001. So click on telnet 10.233.255.254. let me turn the king on, 233.255.254 and change the port number across to 1001. Exactly the same as using the terminal servers in our labs. Click open, enter a couple of times, you now have access to this. During the actual Junosphere event, you'll have a graphic as well, which will also show you what the topology looks like. And again, if you want to see if this is actually operational, if we open up a command prompt, we should be able to ping the usable IP address. So in our case, we'll again go for the same SRX1, which will be ping 10.233.255.196. There we can see that it's been successful. We've got full communications. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I really hope you all enjoy the event.